Most people think experience is enough. But this test can reject you in minutes. No warning, no explanation, just rejection. This is what happens when you fail the Ramsay Maintenance Test. So let's know, what is this test? The test is a pre-employment assessment which checks the skills needed for maintenance and technician jobs. It's not about your degree, but it's about whether you can solve real technical problems under pressure. So, the Ramsay test checks if you can think and fix problems like a real technician, that is, fast. Test structure and format. In order to make it easy to understand and save your time, I have designed a table. Have a look. Strategies to pass. Number 1. Master the basics. Note advanced theory. So don't overcomplicate it. Focus on core concepts as listed. Mechanical, electrical, and common tools and their uses. The test checks practical understanding, not textbook definitions. Number 2, train for speed. So you will feel time pressure. Don't spend too long on one question. Aim for fast elimination of wrong options and practice with a timer. Number 3, practice troubleshooting thinking. So many questions are like, machine stopped working, what's the issue? So train your brain to identify the problem, eliminate impossible causes, choose the most logical fix. This was all. Thanks for watching.